Good morning! S&P 500 futures look to start June off on a positive note. It's UPB here to the morning market minute, optionmillionaires.com. Monday, June 1st, S&P 500 futures up 0.25%. We had a spike a little bit ago. It's a half an hour before the opening bell. S&P 500 futures were flat for a little bit. Nice rally here. We'll see if this can hold. And more Greece rumors going about, and we've heard about Greece for how many years now? Look at the U.S. dollar index, also seeing some strength. It's been a parabolic recovery off the pullback from over triple digits. Some really strong gains the last couple of weeks, so we'll see if we can hold on to those. Again, you don't want to see the dollar index get too out of control. Same with the bond market. S&P 500 futures, while up, the bond market is down, selling off a little bit, and some key levels to watch. For the S&P 500, you can see his beautiful pennant breaking out to the upside, holding support there. But for TLT, look at this long-term trend line. You can see on Friday of this past week, we came right up to that trend line. Well, reversed course late in the session, and we're pulling back here to the other long-term trend line. We might channel in here, and I think this is poised to make a big move in either direction. I've been talking about this for a couple weeks. Once we broke through the long-term trendline support, I think the target here over the course of the next 6 to 9 months is down into the low hundreds. We'll see if we get there. And a channelization. We have Apple continues to break out over the 130 level. Once this broadening descending wedge broke, now it's looking at new all-time record highs. We can see if we can get that in the next couple weeks. Home Depot reported earnings fell, but you can see this trend line is holding $18 billion sitting on the bid from the own corporation themselves to buy back their stock. So I like this stock for move to the upside. This morning, Intel confirmed the rumors, the buyout of Altera. And you can look, to me, looks like a head and shoulders topping pattern is forming here. If we can't get over that 35 level the next couple days with vigor, we're looking for a pullback. I'm actually in some of the $33 puts for downside. Got those on Friday, and that's what I'm looking back for a move under 30. You can see this would be the neckline for Intel. A couple more stocks. Humana, a big spike up on Friday. Rumors galore, and you can look at this chart. Just parabolic. These biotechs, healthcare companies. We can look at IBB, which tracks the biotech industry. You can see that's actually putting in a nice formation here. A breakout would imply a move up to 400. Go figured. You can see this was at $75 just a mere 5 years ago. All right, UPB, it's supposed to be a minute. It's a couple minutes here. The morning market minutes. UPB, I'll see you in the chat room at optionmillionaires.com. One great trade. JB Broad, a private Twitter account. On Friday was Priceline. You can see the move it had to the downside. What a tremendous move for the short-term options that expired that day. We're up some 1,000+%. It was a great way to end the week. And let's start it good here. It's Monday, June 1st, 2015. I'll see you in the chat room. Goodbye.